Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this tutorial guys we are going to discuss how to use a slicer tool. And this slicer tool basically will help you to slice the object in any axis, whether it is X, Y or Z. Okay, so definitely this plugin sometimes will help you, and how to use it we will discuss in a detail in this video guys. Okay, so if you are new on my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon button for latest update guys. So let's start guys. Start guys. So first you can see there are different kind of model that I have created to understand better how to use this slicer tool. Okay, so first you'll have to save your model. Okay, after saving you can use this model plugin. So suppose I want to slice this in Z axis like that. How to use it? First we have to select this model, then click on this option. Okay, this is the parameter. If you want to slice in a blue axis, you have to select a Z. If you want to slice in a red axis, you have to select X axis. Okay, so I'm selecting Z, and then here a spacing means the distance between one slice to another slice will be 2 feet and thickness will be 1 feet. Okay, and flatten means I will teach you later what is the flatten object. So here I'm selecting yes. Okay, now I'm going to click on this OK button. Now you can see that here total number of slices are automatically arranged here, and all slices are just flattened at this spacer guys. Okay, so this is the method to use this plugin. If you don't want a flatten option, now this time I'm going to slice this object. So I'm going to click here. First you have to select the object, then click here. Okay, and select the axis. So here I'm going to select a y axis or x axis. Okay, the spacing will be same, and then flatten. This time I am going to off this options. Okay, and going to text height will be 0, and then click. So you can see your object are just sliced in a x-axis guys. You can see that. Now you can remove every object from here. If you want to flatten, all flatten image will be all the flattened surfaces will be available. Now this time I'm going to select this option, clicking here. Now this time I'm going to select the y options. Okay, spacing and thickness is same. You can change it if you want. Okay, and here the option to centralization, slice or gap. I'm selecting this time gap, and text height will be 0, and clicking on a OK button. If you want to flatten, then you have to select yes button. So now you can see all the images from a starting to end are arranged in sequence, and all are flattened over here. Okay, so this is the method to use this plugin, and definitely sometimes this will gonna help you. Okay, to create some cardboard kind of model on a SketchUp. Okay guys, this is this option is a rotation option basically, rotate. Okay, and the spacing is 1 foot. Okay, the gap, slice, and then click OK. Here it's saying what is the rotation. I am typing 15 degree, then click OK. And all images are flattened over here. You can see that. So you can use this slicer plugin. Okay, and this is definitely sometimes will help you to create a 3D model and slice it like that. What's your opinion about this video guys? Please comment in comment section guys, and see you next episode which is some cool tutorial. Thanks for watching, have fun.